Hello, so today is Saturday and we have HP EliteBook. So the laptop does not turning on. Let's plug the adapter. You can see the adapter is plugged in. Adapter is already plugged in. Turn on. The laptop does not turn on. Nothing happened. No light. No light, not turning on. So we're going to do the same and take out the motherboard. So guys, we have taken out the motherboard. And this is our motherboard. This is our motherboard. This is motherboard part number 6050A28924001 MB-A01. This is the motherboard part number. First of all, let me plug the adapter and we are going to check for voltage. The microscope is on. This is the adapter. No lights. So let's turn my multimeter in voltage mode. We're going to check for voltage. Ground probe, black probe on ground. And here from the coil you have 19. On that side of the coil you have 19. On this MOSFET check. So let's check on the first MOSFET. We have 4.2. So let me show you. We can see this is it. You can see here on this pin here. On this pin you have 19. Check on my multimeter there. This is the pin. So it's coming from this coil here. You can see the coil here. Can see that coil? You have 19. 19. On the other side of the coil, we have 19. So from this coil is coming from the first MOSFET, which is this one. This is the first MOSFET. So on the input of the MOSFET we have 19. And the output of the MOSFET we have what? 4.2. So this is a problem. Remember, this is 19 power rail. So we're supposed to have 19 on the output of the MOSFET here, but we have 4.2. This is a problem. So that's why the laptop will not turn on. On the gate here also we have 4.2. Can see that. So on the second MOSFET also we have 4.2. So it means the first MOSFET is block the voltage. So we are going to check. So take out the adapter. My multimeter in beeping mode. As usual, black probe on ground. Don't check for short. Do we have the short here? On the first MOSFET? You can see no beep. You can see beeping here. But here on the first MOSFET, we don't have short. We have no short here. On the second MOSFET, whoa, the second MOSFET is shorted to ground. So let me show you. This can be. So This is the first MOSFET is here. You can see clearly here. Here, this is the first MOSFET, and this is the second MOSFET. So the second MOSFET is beeping. Not beeping here, but the second MOSFET I think is dead. That's why it's blocking. Let's show you. Let's see here. You can see this is the first MOSFET, and this is the second MOSFET here. So this is the second MOSFET, and this is the current sensor resistor. Hapa simefunga eh? Hamna shida. So guys, we have problems with the second MOSFET. So you can see here, my multimeter is in beeping mode. You can see the meter is beeping. The second MOSFET is full shorted, so I don't know if it's the second MOSFET or on the current sensor resistance. No problem. So what can I do? This is the second MOSFET. Yes. So second MOSFET, and the output is this one. Yes. So remember, this is the first MOSFET, second one, current sensor resistor. So what I'm going to do now, I'm taking this MOSFET and check again. So let's turn off my meter. Let's connect my hot air gun. I'm coming with 350 centigrade. Take out the MOSFET down. 350 centigrade. Whoa, what's the problem here? The coin come out to me. Coin, not me. Coin. Coin. Ngoja nitumie au achana nazo, ngoja nitumie vyuma hivi. Basi ngoja nitumie vyuma. Lengo protect jote isiende mbali. Hamna shida, nishapata hizi chuma. So let's cover the part not to avoid to hit unnecessary parts and damage other chips or electronics or other electronic components. So apply a little flux on this MOSFET here. Enough. So I'm going to take out the MOSFET. Can see other part covered with metal sheet. in order to avoid to damage other electronic components. The MOSFET is out. Let's put here. So you can set MOSFET is out. So wait for the board to cool and you coming in again to measure for short. So guys, the MOSFET is already cooling. So coming to my multimeter in diode mode. So guys, my multimeter in beeping mode. So I'm going to test this MOSFET if it's dead or not. Check the MOSFET. Oh, the MOSFET is dead. You can see it's beeping. Let's test the board. Now short on the board. Yes. So let me show you. Look on my multimeter there. Look on my multimeter, and I'm going to measure the MOSFET. You can see it's beeping to 3.9, 4.0. So the MOSFET is dead. So what this we can do, I'm clean the area. Let's clean the area, with petrol. This is diluted petrol. Let's clean the area. You can see the area is clean. So now measure again, black probe on ground. No short. Where the gate? This is the gate. You can see the gate is fine. No beep. So means we are good. Yes, we are good. So I'm going to replace the MOSFET. So what kind of MOSFET is this? Let's check on my microscope there. Let's check on my microscope. Is this P channel MOSFET or N channel MOSFET? This is, I think this is N. Can see the MOSFET? So I think this is N channel MOSFET. This is N channel. This is N channel MOSFET. I think because the end of the marking code here is 06. So this is even number. So this is N channel. So we can check also by measuring the voltage on the gate. Sorry. So let's measure the voltage on the gate in order to know if the voltage on the gate is 19 or 18, is big, is 19, is greater than 10, you can say 19, 18, and 20, that is N-channel MOSFET. If the voltage on the gate is 5, 4, 6, that is P-channel MOSFET. So let's measure the voltage on the gate. Black probe on ground as usual. Oh. I have 19 here. Oh, what's the problem here? Whoa, check. This is N-channel MOSFET because the matching code is end of 06 and we have 24 voltage in the gate. You can see the gate and we have 24.5 voltage. You can see 24.2 and this is the gate. So we have this is N-channel MOSFET. So we are going to find the N-channel MOSFET on the other board. That is his job. So let me find it. So guys, this is the place we are going to fit our MOSFET. So let's prepare it a little bit. Let's prepare. This is one pad, no problem. Good. That is enough. So we have our MOSFET here. And this is our N-channel MOSFET. We're going to put it there. So apply the metal shield here to here. Here. We're going to install our N-channel MOSFET there with the help of hot air gun with 350 centigrade and 2 air volume. Whoa. Let me the good trigger. Good. So that's good. So use the heat gun a little bit. Now we can remove the motor shield because we are no longer use the hot air gun. That is an N-channel MOSFET, remember? Take out the metal shield. This is one thing, so no problem. It's good, looking good. So we are waiting for the board to cool, then we'll test our laptop again. So guys, after the body is cooling, so let's clean that area. This is our MOSFET here. After that, let's clean with tissue paper. Let's make a general clean, not to avoid leave some flags here. Okay, my multimeter in diode mode. Black probe on ground as usual. Do you have a shot? No shot. On the gate? No shot. Black probe on ground. On the current sensor resistor? No shot. So we can test the laptop by plugging the adapter and my multimeter in voltage mode. Plug the adapter. Adapter is plugged in. Oh. You can see here we have an LED. This is a good sign. This is the laptop is good. You can see here we have some LED. Before we don't have this, so you can see the fan is spinning. Look, the fan is spinning. So I think the laptop is on. You can see the fan is spinning, and we don't have a RAM, so that the fan is spinning fast. The CPUs get hot. Means we have CPU core. Subscribe to Computer Tech Lab. On the battery terminal, we have 11.9. We have 3.3 in data. We have 3.3 in clock. Have 1.8. Have 2.2. So everything is fine. The charging is good. The laptop is fine. It's working fine. I hope it will display. So let's turn off and put the motherboard back into the laptop. Turn off my meter. So guys, we've already put the motherboard back on the laptop, so I'm going to plug the adapter and we are going to test it again. We already put the adapter. We see have the lights. See there, I have an LED on. So we are waiting for picture because we have set the BIOS. Whoa. So we have the display. You can see HP logo. Wow, real time clock follows. So think it worked fine. So guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share. This is Computer Tech Lab. Thank you.